Pavani Ayurveda's Pitta Skincare Ritual provides everything you need to start implementing Ayurvedic skincare into your day. We recommend the Pitta Skincare Ritual for anybody that's Pitta predominant, or if you're experiencing any Pitta type imbalances on the skin. Pitta type skin is prone to sensitivity, inflammation, and also combination skin falls under Pitta type skin. If you're experiencing blemishes or breakouts in the T-zone areas of the forehead, either side of the nose, and the chin, you might be experiencing a Pitta imbalance. So what exactly comes in the Pitta Skincare Ritual? Step 1 in the Ayurvedic skincare routine is using an herbal powdered cleanser and mask. So this is a 2-in-1 product. You can use it daily as your facial cleanser and also weekly as a facial mask. Step 2 is the Pitta toner. So the cleanser and mask will help to cleanse the skin and draw out impurities from the skin. And the Pitta toner also has a cleansing effect. It helps to even out skin tone and minimize pores. Step 3 in the Ayurvedic skincare routine is using a facial serum. So this is a lovely combination of a blend of plant-based oils and essential oils. So you'll use this as step 3 in your Ayurvedic skincare routine. And what I love about our Ayurvedic skincare ritual is you also get a 2-ounce floral water. And we recommend using your floral water to blend up your powdered cleanser and mask to create a paste. And also you can use this floral water in combination with the Pitta serum. An additional thing included in the Pitta skincare ritual is this little tips or recommendation card. And it's specific to help heal and balance Pitta type skin. To learn more about how to use each individual product that comes in your Pitta skincare ritual, you can hop over to each product's page on Pavani Ayurveda's website to learn more about each product. But as I said at the beginning, I love the Pitta skincare ritual. I think it's a lovely way to start incorporating Ayurvedic skincare into your day. And you can use this skincare ritual AM and PM to help heal the skin and connect with the loving vibrations of all the herbs that go into making your Pitta skincare ritual.